Alright, where was I before my phone ran out of memory? This one. Then you can get the AC box, which is from here to here, out. Then you're working on the pipes that go through the firewall. They're glued in, so they don't really want to move. I put a little bit of grease on the outside to help things and kind of get in there and get your hands behind it and kind of pull straight back while lifting over that. You'll see why, because it does not want to go over that. But when it comes out, important that you drain the coolant. You'll see why if you didn't. Here's the old one. Wet. These washers go here. They're retained by a plastic retainer, of all things. They're retained by a retainer. Make sure you replace these. There's kind of like a lip around the outside. Index is right there, sits in the middle of the retainer. Phillips head screws. Once you've gotten all of these out, be sure that you drop at least one. It fell, didn't fall there. It fell there. And then it went into there, and it never hit the ground. So after you've lost one, find it 20 minutes later, have a snack, whatever you gotta do, and come out, get the screw that you lost. Continue on, snug them right up, make sure that you don't cross thread any of these. They're a very fine thread and it's aluminum. It will piss you off. You're reusing your pipes because none of these come with pipes. You have to order these seals. Nissan Group, yeah, straight from Subaru, but they're Nissan seals. Alright, there's the AC box. There's the deal. That's pretty self-explanatory. There's an arm on the side that you have to squeeze and pop out. Might as well just show you. Don't mind the mess. Housekeeping is coming in. That one. I broke off one of them because this car is old and very brittle, but whatever. Take off this guy. Perimeter screws. Slap in your new core. Put it back together. And reverse the process. Now, if you're smart, you would have labeled all of the screws. I didn't. I just let gravity take them to the floor, and then I'll pick them up and put them where they belong. Now is a good time to clean up all of the sneezes and farts. Should be visible after 20 years. So yeah, keep going, and it's like cold as hell right now, and don't want to drive my nice car in the weather. This used to be my nice car. Still a nice car, but well, I don't plan on selling it, so I might as well just use it until it can't be used anymore. So, trying to get better at these video things and posting a lot. So comment below.